Hello guys, welcome to this class. So in this lecture we are going to install the necessary softwares that we require to start coding and learn Java. So let's get started. So in this lecture we will be installing two softwares on our system, which is Java JDK, which is required to run Java, and IntelliJ IDEA, which is an IDE that will help us write and execute Java programs. So to install these two softwares, you'll first have to open the browser of your choice, and you'll have to go to Google, okay, and in Google we'll type in JDK download. So JDK is something that we'll install to get Java on our machine, okay. We'll click on this Java Software Edition Development Kit 8. So JDK version 8 is what we'll be installing, okay. And over here you'll see a list for different operating system. I will go ahead and first accept this license. So you have to first accept this license. Thanks for accepting. And then based on your machine, the kind of machine that you have and the operating system, you can download the corresponding file. So for example, if you are running Windows 64-bit, you have to download this file, okay, else you will download this file. Or if you are running a Mac, you will download this, or for any other system you will choose the corresponding file, okay. So if you don't know like which version of Windows you are running, you can right click on my computer on your desktop and go to properties, and you can see over there the operating system version, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, okay. And after checking that out, you can come over here and download the appropriate file. So just click on any of these, and if I click over here on the Mac version, okay, I'll be prompted to download this, and I'll click on save. But I won't do that as of now because I already have Java running on my machine, okay. So after you download this, okay, we'll again go to Google and we'll look for IntelliJ IDEA download, okay. Now this is the website that comes, okay. Download IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE for professional developers. I'll directly go to this link, okay. So JetBrains is the company that that has built this IDE, okay, and they have a range of tools, okay. But so this is the page that gets loaded over here, okay. And so for me it's Mac OS, okay, but if you have Windows, this will be selected, Mac OS, and for Linux guys this will be selected, okay. So there's a cookie warning. I'll just cross this out, okay. Now there are two versions, okay. So I have the community version over here, which I have downloaded for myself, okay, and community version works fine, like to learn and run Java programs, okay. So we'll be using this community version over here, okay, to learn Java, since it's free and open source, okay, but it has limited features, okay. But I think we have enough features to learn and execute Java program, and that's important over here, okay. So you just download this file and just save it on your desktop, okay. Now I'll be showing you steps on how to install Java. So we'll be installing Java JDK first, okay, and then we'll be installing IntelliJ IDEA, okay. So to install Java, you'll have to double click on the installer file that you just downloaded. So to start installing Java, you will have to double click the file that you downloaded for Java, okay. After you double click on it, a pop-up window will open, which will be something like this. So installing Java on your machine is relatively simple. It's very similar to the installation of any other software that you do, okay. So on this screen you have to make sure you note this path over here, okay. This path is something that we'll be needing when we open the IntelliJ IDEA for the first time. So this is the path where your system is installing Java on your machine, okay. Now you just need to click next, and at the end the Java will get installed, okay, and you will see a confirmation message, okay. Now after clicking on finish, You just need to navigate to C drive, programming files, Java, JDK 1.8 if you are on Windows, okay, and you need to just check for these two folders, okay, and this is where these are your Java files, okay, which just got installed, okay. Now after installation of Java is complete, you need to double click on the installation file that you just downloaded for installing IntelliJ IDEA on your machine. After doing that, you need to click on next and follow the installation instructions for IntelliJ IDEA. They would be really simple, okay. After the installation is complete for IntelliJ IDEA, and when you open IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, okay, you will see something like this, okay. So IntelliJ IDEA is asking me whether you want to import any settings from a custom location, or you don't have a previous version of IntelliJ IDEA, okay. So you have to just select this, I don't have a previous version of IntelliJ IDEA, okay, unless you want to import it, and just click on OK, okay. After doing OK, the next step will be, it will be asking you to set up some theme for your IDE, okay. So you can select the theme of your choice, okay. So there are two themes, one is like the normal white theme and another one is Dracula theme, okay. So after selecting the theme of your choice, you can click on next default plugins over here, okay. On the next screen, it will ask you like what different kinds of plugins do you want to install to configure your IDE, but we won't be installing any plugins over here, okay. And we'll be clicking over here like skip remaining and set defaults, okay. Now after doing this, it will ask you to create a new project, okay, and you just need to stop over here, okay. So creation of new project and how to get started using IntelliJ IDEA, I will be showing in the later lectures, okay. So that's about the installation and setup, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.